Hi guys, my name is Sasha. I'm from Joburg South. I'm 27. I heard about Shiloh from Facebook. She just popped up there, to be honest. And when I went through her page, I saw all the flawless looks, and that was what really caught my eye and reason why I decided I wanted to come and have a look, because I battle with my pimples, my freckles, and trying to get a flawless look. So that was one of my main reasons for coming today. Stay tuned and I'll give you my honest feedback at the end of this tutorial.
Okay, so ladies, this is Sasha, one of our Caucasian models. We are focusing on the Caucasian market for this week. So as you can see, she's quite red. She's got lovely freckles, but we're going to tame those freckles. We are going to also seal up all of her pores. She's got a bit of pores here, and yeah, nothing major. And we going to totally reshape her whole face and give her a glam look for her warm undertone. So I'm applying my Photoshop primer first. Okay, so ladies, benefits of our Photoshop primer: it seals the pores, it blurs out blemishes, marks, freckles. So you can see immediately her skin is already becoming skin tone. So that's what the purpose of the Photoshop primer is. And I suggest that if you have combination skin, then you use it in conjunction with your mattifying powder. And you can always WhatsApp me for the steps on how to apply this, or alternatively, you can refer to my YouTube tutorial where I show you how to use both together. Immediately she has been blurred out, freckles are less noticeable, any darkness underneath the eyes less noticeable. Okay, so immediately you can see that her marks and her freckles have minimized significantly. So she's got combination skin. She's got areas that are dry, and then she's also got areas where she breaks out along her stress area, which is her chin area. She's got a few breakouts here. So I have advised her to use the Photoshop primer together with the mattifying powder. So I've got that in, it's rubbed in beautifully, it's sucked in. Next I'm going to apply the mattifying powder. The mattifying powder is going to seal all of her pores and give me a completely smooth finish, because remember, our products are high definition, and if there's any areas where it's not. Okay, so benefits of the mattifying powder: it is going to seal her pores and give her completely smooth finish. I can see how it's like polyfiller. It basically just smoothens your lines and your wrinkles. It creates a very firm base for the rest of the makeup. So if you have blotchy skin or very oily skin, then the mattifying powder is definitely a must. If you want something that's going to minimize the use of your product, then I would suggest that you use your Photoshop primer in conjunction with your mattifying powder. So that will also prevent you from using too much of product, because it blurs out marks and blemishes. So you can see what it's done. It has smoothened beautifully. She's got like super silky baby skin at the moment. Okay, you can turn back to the camera and leave your eyes closed. Next, I'm using Bronze 4 corrector. Now, we've had 2 correctors in our range. We've used Bronze 3 and Bronze 4. So I'm using Bronze 4. You can see what it's going to do. And I'm just going to apply it very lightly over her freckles, not too much, because that would alter the entire foundation color if you had to apply too much. So just lightly over where she's got freckles. We want to cover the freckles up completely. Today is not a freckled look, so always go with what your intended look is, and today isn't about freckles, so we're going to give her maximum coverage. Next, her foundation is Ivory 6. So that's Ivory 6 for Sasha. And you can see immediately it just blends in to her skin tone. She's not looking over pale. We've got 3 shades in the Caucasian category. We've got light, we've got fair, we've got Ivory 6. And if you are quite yellow, then we've got Beige 1 and Beige 2 as well. Turn your face. Okay, and then we're going to dab, dab, dab. She doesn't have a lot of dark circles, so I'm not going to go with a lighter foundation underneath her eyes. The corrector will do the job for me. So just dabbing foundation underneath her eyes. She's got complete coverage, no redness, no inflammation, no freckles, all gone. Okay, I'm applying number 9 powder on her, which is an olive powder. Pat underneath the eyes with the powder puff that comes in your powder container. Okay, just dabbing on and brushing powder. Okay, just leaving excess underneath here while I contour her face, her nose, and her chin. Not going to contour her cheeks because she's already got a narrow face and she's got high cheekbones. So I'm just going to blend the chin out to make it less pointy and cut the nose, take out the length, and make the forehead smaller. So I'm using our contour and highlighter palette for this. So I'm using this in the contour palette, cutting her chin, just blending it to the sides of her face. Making her hairline smaller. And forehead width smaller. Okay, so first things first with the nose, we're going to take away the length, which is the tip. And then cutting the width of it. She's got a little bump, so I'm going to darken the bump as well. And repeat on the other side. Then I'm going to highlight here because that's where I want my eye's attention to be, here. And to create some volume on her cheek so it doesn't look so hollow. Blending out the contour so it's not so dark. Okay, just brushing out her brows, and I'm going to define it with brow cream. Because she's so light-skinned, I'm not going with the brow tattoo. I'm using the brow cream on her because it would look too much on her fair skin. So just very light. And then I'm going to define around it with foundation. Just using our flat concealer brush and creating neat lines around her brows. Okay, Sasha's got small eyes, so I'm going with lighter colors and applying our new lash range on her just to enhance. So not too much happening on the lids. Focus is on the highlighting, the contouring, and the lashes. So I'm using number 2 shadow pencil. That's going to create the illusion that her eyes are bigger with more space. Using the highlighter in the inner corners here. Bronze pigment on the lids. This is from our Miss Rose palette, which is 400 Rand. So that's a very versatile palette where you can just do everything in one. Okay, and then I'm going to subtle shading because she's got small eyes. Just shading underneath her eyes, her lashes, not too dark because her eyes are small. So the burgundy that I use in the outer corner is what I'm extending underneath. Just applying mascara. Don't close it so tight. I'm gonna lift your lids, but don't close it tight. Okay, and while that's drying, I'm going to prepare her lashes. These are our new in-house brand. We've got lash glue as well as tweezers to apply them. And the lashes are 150. We've got them in 5D and in 6D as well. So we're just waiting for that to dry. And I'm applying a soft pink blush on her cheekbones. No contouring, just color. Smile for me. Because her face is narrow, we actually want to create the illusion of more fullness in her cheeks. So no contouring at all. Okay, so our new range is super soft. It actually looks and feels like mink lashes, but they are synthetics and really soft band for 150 in the different types. Very high quality, soft bands. Love how it just sticks so quickly with the glue that we are selling. Okay, so I'm going to wait for that to dry. And I'm not doing hard lines. I'm just going to continue with her lips while that dries. Try to keep your lids soft, metallic. But let's do some moist lipstick first. Okay, I'm going to do lashes, mascara at the bottom. Open your eyes, okay? And okay, my love, so this is Sasha for her after look. If you'd like to know more about what I've used on her, please WhatsApp me on 079-272-4713. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to see more of my amazing tutorials. Until the next tutorial, bye!
Hi ladies, so this is me after my makeover. Hope you guys like it as much as I do. I didn't feel like I was being put on with a lot of makeup. I feel all natural, so it's amazing. I would definitely recommend it to all you ladies out there. Do yourself a favor, come and have a look, because you'll be floored just as much as I am. Thank you so much for letting me take the opportunity to actually finally feel like I can breathe with my skin with makeup and I don't have to worry about it, and I can look flawless. So who's coming with me for drinks? Have a good one, guys. I don't recognize myself. Sure, it's amazing.
Is it a good thing or a bad thing?
No, it's a good thing. I like it. Like my eyes pop out. I don't even feel like I have so much makeup on. So it actually feels natural, which I like. There's no, what do you call it, like, you know, when my makeup that I have at home, feels like it flakes off. Yeah, it's smooth. Doesn't look like I have so much makeup on, like base and all of that. I love it. Okay, can I go to sleep and wake up like this in the morning? Definitely a brand I would recommend using again and again. Gonna have to definitely get myself some and come for more lessons to learn to put it on perfectly.
And in terms of the color match, are you happy with the color match? Because you've had challenges with that previously?
Definitely. I don't feel like it's too dark, it's not too pale, so I don't look like a ghost. So yeah, definitely come and get yourself this brand. It's amazing. Perfect match is perfect. Literally, it's perfect. I like it. I don't feel like I'm caked with makeup. I don't feel like my skin can still breathe, if that makes sense. Like, yes. It doesn't feel like if I sweat or if I do anything, it feels natural. It doesn't feel
tight.
Yes.
That's the non-comedogenic aspect.
I like it all.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Awesome.